Introducing our new state-of-the-art manufacturing facility, a testament to our commitment to innovation, growth and excellence. Spanning over 7,000 square metres, this cutting-edge facility marks a significant milestone in our journey to redefine industry standards. With this expansion, we're propelling our business forward by at least 50% over the next 24 months. This expansion means we're creating new job opportunities within the community. Skilled individuals can join our dynamic team and be part of our exciting journey. Our new facility is more than bricks and mortar. It's a hub of innovation. We've harnessed the power of new technology, robotics and automation to enhance every aspect of our operations. With the latest in technology, we can ensure precision, efficiency and the highest standards in all our products. As we look ahead, this facility represents our unwavering commitment to driving progress, pushing boundaries and delivering excellence. Welcome to a new manufacturing era. Experience the future with us. ARV Chassis, innovating tomorrow, today.